In honor of live-action Mulan remake in 2020, let's talk about Mulan's real history. Hua Mulan was a legendary Chinese warrior from the northern and southern dynasties of Chinese history, originally described in the Ballad of Mulan. She's disguised as a man, takes her aged father's place in the army. Unlike in the cartoon, Mulan actually fought for 12 years and gained high merit, but she refused any reward and retired to her hometown. She is already skilled in fighting, having been taught martial arts, sword fighting, and archery by the time she enlists in the army. In the real story, when Mulan back to her homeland, she is devastated to discover her father has long died and her mother has remarried. Even worse, the Khan has summoned her to the palace to become his concubine. Rather to suffer this fate, she commits suicide. Mulan's words before she commits suicide were, "I'm a girl, I have been through war and I have done enough. I now want to be with my father." It's kinda tragic actually to know the real story. Well, that's some facts I thought you guys should know, so after watch Mulan's new trailer, I get inspired to make her bridal look from this live-action 2020 movie. Okay, let's just get started. First, I'm going to make my eyebrows straight just like Liu Yifei in the movie. For the eyeshadow, I use Purer shade from Laura Pro Palette. Next, I use pink shade and blend everything. And then you can use any black eyeliner for this look. I set everything with setting powder. For the white pale skin bridal look just like Mulan, I use white eyeshadow and blend everything with powder sponge. And here's the fun part. I use Kid's Face painting from Snazaroo for the yellow and red paint just like Mulan's look. Blend everything with the sponge. After the yellow paint, I draw 3 red dots that I guess represent flowers. Continue with the red lips, and yes, I still use the face painting. It's a bold red color. I curl my lashes and just use a little bit of mascara since at that time people still haven't discovered fake lashes. I use pink blush a lot to achieve the Mulan bridal look. Okay, time to updo my hair. Well, I can't do exactly like the Mulan's 2020 hair, so I just make it simple and add some flowers that is actually earrings for the flowers accents. And the Mulan's bridal look 2020 is done. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Keep in mind that I'm sharing this makeup look just for fun. I'm sorry if there's something wrong with how I do the makeup. Let me know your thoughts and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!